Weather now and another beautiful day, but some of us had a foggy start.
Yeah, some of us, especially along and east of 35. The hill country, though, started with full sunshine, and I expect there'll be a lot of you tomorrow that start with sunshine again. But there is going to be the concern for some areas of thick fog to develop late in the night tonight. Right now, most of Texas under the sunshine, and you can see what the surface winds are doing coming out of the southeast off the Gulf, bringing us some moisture. Not a lot of high humidity at this point, but enough moisture that once the temperatures drop at night, the fog and low cloudiness builds in. And you can see our fog forecast into tomorrow morning brings the thickest of fog with visibility less than half a mile to most of our eastern counties. Some of that fog gets into the metro, perhaps a little bit of light fog entering the hill country. The fog should lift earlier than it did today, but I still think we'll have some low clouds around, even with pretty good visibility by 10 o'clock or so. And then we're fog free and almost cloud free as we get toward the middle of the day here tomorrow. How are the skies going to look? Not just the fog. Well, clear skies through 11 o'clock tonight. Then the fog and low cloud combination builds in for tomorrow morning. Yet you can see some of the hill country never even gets the low clouds and fog. Then it lifts away by midday, and then the afternoon, not quite as blue of a sky as what we had today. We expect more of a mix of sun with high thin clouds. So still a bright afternoon, just not a completely clear sky. Then a cold front comes in early Thursday, brings us the tiniest little chance for a stray morning shower, and it does knock our temperatures down, although the temperatures will start to climb again in the afternoon once we get in on some Thursday afternoon sun, but not quite as warm as it has been over the last couple of days. Right now we're in the mid 70s in Austin, almost 90 in San Angelo, and we've got some 90s there in Laredo. We'll get down to 55 tonight, but remember those low clouds and areas of fog build in after midnight. So if you got early morning travel tomorrow, especially east of 35 or near 35, there may be some low visibility. Once the fog lifts away by mid to late morning, a lot of sun for the majority of the afternoon, really, with a high of 78. And there'll be some low 80s again tomorrow afternoon in the hill country. We'll be close to that in the metro with 78, of course, just a couple of degrees away. And our eastern counties in the mid to upper 70s as well. Then that cold front that comes through Thursday morning does knock us down to 67. So just 60s, though, for one day. We're back in the 70s Friday, upper 70s on Saturday. We do have some rain chances, though, the second half of the weekend. Right now, the rain looks very light. Beginning Sunday, drizzle, light showers, and the potential for a few more showers or even thunderstorms Monday and Tuesday. But right now the chances are fairly low, and still don't think we'll get a lot of rain over the next week. 1/10 of an inch to a 1/4 inch for most, and then south and southwest of Austin, less than 1/10 of an inch. Hopefully these amounts trend up, although they haven't shown much signs of that just yet. Here's a look at our first warning weather 7-day forecast. So it's somewhat of a split weekend, but if you're trying to get outside and in the sunshine, then Saturday's your day with just some light showers at times on Sunday and a few more of those Monday and Tuesday as we're up to 80 by next Tuesday.